everyone, welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to make an easy and sweet dessert recipe, coffee jelly. Let's start. First, we're going to make the coffee flavored gelatin. Place 4 cups of water in a pot, then bring to boil. Then add 2 tablespoons of coffee powder and 1/4 cup of sugar and stir until fully dissolved. Turn off the heat, then add 3 tablespoons of gelatin and continue to stir until there are no more lumps. You can use any brand of gelatin as long as it is unflavored, and always follow the instruction on how to prepare the gelatin. Once done, place the gelatin mixture in a shallow container for faster cooling. Once the gelatin is fully set, cut it into cubes of about 1 inch size. Set aside while we are preparing the milk mixture. For extra hint of coffee flavor, dissolve 1 teaspoon of coffee powder in 1/4 cup of hot water. Set aside for a while. In a bowl, combine condensed milk and Nestle cream and stir until they are well blended. Then add the coffee mixture we have prepared a while ago. Just continue to mix until well combined. Lastly, add the gelatin in the milk mixture and gently mix until all the gelatin cubes are submerged in the milk. Here's our coffee jelly recipe. This is an easy dessert that you can prepare this coming holiday season. Remember to consume in moderation at night because this sweet dessert will keep you awake all night long. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!